Hi, my name is Emma Pancake, and I'm going to be doing the pepper and dish soap experiment. This is to talk about surface tension of water as well as hydrophobic and hydrophilic materials and how they interact with water. And I'm doing this with my roommate Lauren. So Lauren's right here. Yeah. Okay, so for the first part of the experiment, we're just gonna sprinkle pepper onto this like container of water. And Lauren, do you have a prediction of what's gonna happen when I sprinkle the pepper?
Maybe it will kind of like disperse.
Sure. Okay, let's see what happens. And I'm gonna film the sprinkling of the pepper. So. Okay, so that should be enough pepper. So there you can see the pepper is just floating on top of the surface, and it's like floating very evenly, and it's not sinking to the bottom. Okay, and so basically what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take some dish soap on a finger, and Lauren, do you have a prediction of what's going to happen once I put the dish soap into this solution?
I don't know, maybe the pepper will stick to the dish soap.
Okay. Okay, cool. So let's try that. So I'm just getting some dish soap on my fingers. I'm getting it like all over. And then I'm going to stick it in to the solution, and we're just going to see what happens. So interesting. So as you can see, the dish soap made the pepper disperse, so it's not evenly spread out anymore. And yeah, so I guess we're gonna do the same experiment with salt and see if that's gonna happen. So with the pepper, we see that the pepper like floated on the top, and then with the addition of the dish soap, it dispersed, and so it's not evenly spread out like it was originally. And then we're gonna do the same thing with salt. So I have my salt here, and I'm just going to add in the salt. And so as we can see, the salt just sunk down to the bottom of the dish. So yeah, so I guess why this happens is pepper is a hydrophobic material, and so it repels water and it works against the water. So the reason that it floats up at the top is the surface tension of the water holds it up while it and repels it. And then with salt on the other hand is a hydrophilic material, and so it joins in with the water when it's added to the water, and it just sunk right to the bottom and started dissolving and kind of becoming one with that material. And so the reason that dish soap makes the pepper spread out, and then now you can see that the pepper has sunk to the bottom of the dish as well, is that dish soap is both hydrophilic and hydrophobic. So it has both of those two properties, and that's why dish soap works really well for cleaning things, because if you have like an oil or a grease stain, it's gonna be able to get that out. And then also if you have, because oil and grease are gonna be hydrophobic, so it repels water, but if you add the dish soap, it's able to loosen that up and get it out. And then if you have like a hydrophilic material as well, like, I don't know, like if you spilled like coffee on your shirt, it's also going to be able to get that out as well. So yeah, that's basically the process. That's the whole experiment. Okay, thank you. Bye.